Good day, I am Rodel James Tamayo, a third-year BSIT student from St. Rita's College of Balingsag. I'm here to teach you how to use SQL foreign key constraint. So what does it mean when we say foreign key? Well, a foreign key in one table points to a primary key in another table. It is used to prevent actions that would destroy links between tables. It also prevents invalid data from being inserted into the foreign key column because it has to be one of the values contained in the table it points to. So, this is the syntax that we will use later on for our video tutorial. So, we have here table orders. This is the name of the table. These are the attributes within the table orders, which is the OID, the order number, the PID, the primary key, which is the OID here, the foreign key, which is the PID that comes from another table, which is the persons table, which also has the same attribute, which is the PID. So let's begin coding. So first, go on to your WAMP server, click on your WAMP server icon, go to MySQL and choose MySQL console. So a command prompt will appear. So as you can see, we already created our own database. So we create a database and name it as employee DB. So after creating our own database, let's try to create our own table and name it as employee. So within the employee, we have employee ID, the full name, the gender, the birthday, the address, and the employee hire date. So what we're going to do here is to have employee ID to be the foreign key of the table that we will create today. So we begin with creating a table. Create table salary. So salary is the name of our table. So create table salary. The attributes are the salary ID, data type integer 10, then not null. After that, let's try to have employee ID, data type, which is integer 10, and then salary from, date, then not null. Next is the salary to, date, and then not null. So after this, let's specify salary ID as the primary key of the table salary. So primary key, salary ID, comma. After that, let's identify the foreign key of this table. So the foreign key of this table is the employee ID. So references from the employee table, which is here, we have the employee ID, employee table, which is the employee ID. So let's try it if it is correct. So it is correct. So this is very simple. As you can see, we just identify which is the primary key of this table, salary, then add foreign key, the name of the table, the name of the column or the ID, then add references, the name of the table and the employee ID. So that's all. Thank you for watching. For more information, just visit www.w3school.com to guide you more about MySQL statement. May you learn more about web. So thank you for watching, and God bless.